Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Beautiful You. Today we thought we'll do something interesting for our busy working professionals out there, or just anyone who has a busy day lying ahead of them. You know, it'll be like a nice neutral makeup wherein you can just transform it for your evening or your night out in just a few minutes with just a few products. I've got my good friend and makeup artist Sanya with me. Hi Sanya, how are you?
Hi Sonakshi, I'm good.
So what's the plan for today?
So today we'll be showing you how to transform your makeup from a day look to a night look. So since we are, like working professionals, we hardly get time to, step out in our full glam avatar. So I'll show you today how to do a simple office makeup look and how in just a couple of products and in few minutes you can upgrade it for your evening, maybe party with your colleagues or with your friends.
Okay, great. Sounds fun. So let's keep watching, guys. To start with the eyes, we're using a single eyeshadow and placing it all over the lid. Since it's a daytime office makeup look, we'll keep the makeup simple and fuss-free that can be achieved in minutes. We're taking a shade that is closer to the skin tone for a natural look and blending the edges to avoid any harsh lines. Next, we'll curl the eyelashes and apply a generous coat of mascara. Here we're done with the eyes in just 2 simple steps. Now we're applying some blush on the apple of the cheeks. Blush pulls the whole look together and helps in accentuating the cheekbones. To complete our day look, we're applying a semi-matte lipstick. You can choose any lipstick that is in the nude, pink or coral shades. Here's our final look for a simple and natural office makeup. There you go guys, this is my daytime look. So neutral, so fresh, so pretty. You can wear it to the office or just on your day out. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to up it a bit. We'll just probably darken the eyes a bit, darken the mouth.
Add more depth to your eyes and your lips and to your entire face so that you're ready to go for a night party.
Yeah, and I think it'll just take us a few minutes.
Just a few minutes, just a few products and you're there.
Okay, great. Let's just show it. For a night glam look, we're adding some shimmery shadow on the eyelids and taking a darker matte shadow. We are pressing it on the outer corner of the lid and blending it inwards towards the crease to create some definition in our eyes while ensuring that the shimmer and the matte shadows are blended well. Next, we're taking a black smudgy kajal to create a band of liner and extending it slightly to create a small wing. We use the same kajal on the 1/3 of the waterline and smudge it for a smoky effect. Finishing the eye makeup with some mascara on the upper and lower lashes. To glam up the face, we bronze some areas like the hollows of the cheeks, forehead and the jawline. Since it's party makeup, highlighter is a must to add sheen and glow. We complete the face makeup with some blush and blend every layer together. For the lips, you can create a statement mouth with any dark or bold lip color. For today's look, we're sticking to a hot red. That's the final look, up in just a few minutes, and we are all ready to party after a long day of work. You saw how simple it was. I just upped my eyes and my lips a bit, I contoured a bit, and it just takes a few minutes really when you've got a hectic day ahead of you, from your neutral day look to your night glam, and you're all ready to step out. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode and keep watching Beautiful You for more.